team, welcome back. Today we are reading Passage D, The Kettle. The kettle boiled loudly, whistling in the kitchen as if it were about to explode. Grandma Fran was sitting calmly at the kitchen table, reading the Sunday newspaper. Steam rose from the kettle. The water would be the right temperature in exactly 2 minutes. 20 years of experience with the same kettle told her so. The icy rain came down outside. A hot cup of tea would bring a welcome relief from the weather. Questions. Was the kettle noisy? What is meant by the word right as it is used in the text? Describe the scene in the kitchen. Had Grandma Fran made tea before? Explain how you know this. Why might a hot cup of tea be nice for Grandma Fran? Now let's check the answers. What was Mary doing? Mary was making soup. We know this because it says in the first sentence, Mary stirred the soup. Where is Mary? Mary is in a cooking school or culinary class. We know that because it says Mary had studied the recipe on the bus to the culinary school. Had Mary made tomato soup before? How do you know that? No, she hadn't made tomato soup before. Two possible answers here. We could say because she was worried or nervous and wasn't sure how hot to make it. We could also say she hadn't made it before because she had had to study the recipe before making the tomato soup. What is meant by the word correctly as it is used in the text? Here, correctly means as given by the recipe or to make it the right way. Who gave the instruction of 20 more minutes in sentence 3? Here we see 20 more minutes. Well, we know that Mary is at a culinary school or cooking class. So we could say that the instruction came from a chef, a teacher, a tutor, or an instructor. All good answers. Thank you for your time. How did you go?